that you may not be able to be here for whatever reason, but I know in spirit that you are. Those who are alive and dead. That's good spot. I feel it's so strongly that someone has to make a stance and get publicity for Bury Football Club. There's so many big clubs out there, your Cities and Uniteds. We've given them so many players over the years, so many players. And at the time, it wasn't a pittance, but in today's terms, it is. Why, oh why cannot these clubs, even your Liverpools and your Evertons and what have you, why cannot all these clubs come together, put some money in to buy Bury Football Club, to keep us alive? We're a footballing family. Please be that family now and save us, please.
I mean, there's a lot of money in football, isn't there?
There's a hell of a lot of money in football. Only at the top end, not for the likes of Bury and your Oldhams and your Rochdales and even your Boltons.
And if it gets to Friday and there's no...
We will die. 135 years as a Football League club.